11th Science Chapter 2 Atomic Structure Part 7 Electronic Configuration of Elements.
Hello students, I am Madhusina, your chemistry teacher. In this video, we will be discussing about how to write down electronic configuration of elements from 1 to 20 atomic number. Watch my YouTube videos, like and subscribe it for further notification. Electronic configuration means arrangement of electrons in various shells and orbitals. Right? According to three rules of filling electrons in the orbitals. Above says that electrons are first of all filled in lower energy level before occupying higher energy level. According to Pauli's exclusion principle, every orbital can occupy maximum 2 electrons and that too with opposite spin. Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity says that in case of degenerate orbitals, degenerate means orbitals with same energy, the electrons are first singly occupied before pairing takes place. Keeping all these rules in mind, let us start with electronic configuration and orbital diagram of the elements. First element is hydrogen, having one electron. So first orbital is 1s. Electron goes in 1s orbital. If you put the orbital diagram, one electron is occupied. We can put it like this, either with an upward spin or downward spin. Next is helium, 2 electrons. 1s orbital, maximum capacity is 2. So 1s2. You can put the orbital diagram like this. 2 electrons, one with an clockwise spin, another with anti-clockwise spin. Then comes lithium. 1s can occupy maximum 2 electrons. After 1s, 2s orbital comes. One more electron is occupied here. So now if we put the orbital diagram, 1s has 2 electrons and 2s has 1 electron. After lithium, beryllium, atomic number 4. 1s2, 2s2, 2 and 2, 4 sidewise, you can keep on counting also. So, if I put orbital diagram, 1s and 2s, 2 electrons are present in 1s and 2 in 2s. After beryllium, it is boron, atomic number 5. 1s occupies 2 electron, 2s occupies 2 electron. Now one more is left, which will go to 2p. So when I put orbital diagram, 1s has 2 electrons, 2s again has 2 electrons. Now p has 3 suborbitals. So I will make 3 boxes. 1 electron is present in p. So I will put p like this. Let us proceed further. Then after boron, the next one is carbon. Atomic number is 6. 1s2, 2s2, 2p. 2 and 2 occupied. How many more left? 2 more left. So 1s is having 2 electrons. I have to draw it with opposite spins. 2s has 2 electron and for p 3 suborbitals are there. One and the second one goes in the next orbital as per Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Then after that we have nitrogen. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Now the capacity of p orbital is 6 electrons. Why 6? Because 3 suborbitals are present within this and capacity of each orbital is 2 electrons. So 1s has 2 electrons, 2s has 2 electrons and 2p. 1, 2 and 3. These are singly occupied. Now once it is singly occupied, then only pairing will take place. After nitrogen, oxygen. 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 4. 4 and 4, 8. So 1s, 2s, p orbital has 3 suborbitals, so I will put 2 electrons in 1s, 2 in 2s, 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one with the downward spin. After this we have fluorine, atomic number 9, 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. So put orbital diagram, 1s 2 electrons, 2s again 2 electrons with opposite spin, and for 2p you have to draw 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4th with opposite spin and 5th with opposite spin. Then we are having neon, atomic number is 10. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So I can put orbital diagram, 1s with 2 electrons with opposite spin, 2s with 2 electrons, and 2p. 6 are there, 1, 2, 3. Now singly occupied, now pairing will take place with opposite spin, and 6. Now we move on to sodium. So now you know how to draw orbital diagram. Now we will focus on electronic configuration. Orbital diagrams you can draw on your own. Sodium, 11 electrons we have to occupy. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 2p6, 6 and 4. 10 are occupied. So after 2p, 3s orbital comes into picture. So 1. After sodium we have magnesium, atomic number 12. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. After magnesium comes aluminium, 13 atomic number. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Wait and calculate. 10, 11, 12. One more. So which is going to go into 3p orbital, 3p1. After this comes silicon, atomic number 14. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. After silicon, it comes phosphorus. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. At any time, you can wait and calculate. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12 plus 3, 13 electrons. Number of electrons in a neutral atom is always equal to its atomic number. After this comes sulfur. Atomic number is 16. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. After silicon comes chlorine. Atomic number 17. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. After chlorine, atomic number 18 is argon. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. This is, so you can wait and watch. 10, 11, 12 and 6, 18. Now comes potassium, atomic number 19. So potassium, atomic number 19. 19 electrons I have to arrange. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Wait and see. 10, 11, 12 and 6, 18 are arranged after 3p. In the third shell, 3d orbital is there, but according to Aufbau rule, electron always goes first of all in the lower energy orbital. The energy of 4s orbital is less than that of 3d orbital. So first of all, the electron will go in 4s before occupying 3d orbital. So now I will count. These are 10 electrons. 11, 12 and 6, 18. How many more I have to arrange? One more which is going to go in 4s. Calcium, atomic number 20. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. 10 and 10, 20 electrons. In the next video, we will be discussing about elements with atomic numbers 21 to 30.